Hey man, you know where you watch. Dancehall skilla.
What my people? Dancehall skilla there again. Manners and respect, you see? Yeah man. Sandra, big up yourself, Sandra. Big up yourself. Big up yourself, you know. Yeah, big up and respect to each and everyone. You don't know so dancehall skilla, not but respect, you see me? Alright, now let's get started because I have videos that I'm going to present to you and I have some things I want to talk to you about. Alright, now, first things first. I saw more than 2 pieces of videos that I've put together and posted on social media, and in those videos a man said some things that gave me the understanding that he admitted that he ate dog and a type of bird that some Jamaicans call drancro. You see me, my people? Now I'm going to present one of those videos to you so that you can hear some of the things that the man said. And please bear in mind that some of the things that the man said might be somewhat disturbing to some of you, my viewers and subscribers. Viewer discretion is advised. Here's the video. Look, listen, and observe for yourself.
Why is that next man take up the plate?
The next man gone in the blood clot for the dog meat. And the rice will left gone. So me I say, yeah, me lucky the bomber clot came in and take out the plate of rice and the dog meat already. I don't know me that money. Another one gone in here. Hungry that kill me. My plate already.
Where you saying cook? Where you cook?
Curry dog. Wait, a big dog or a small dog?
That's too much one man.
Curry dog.
Also. That is my middle side puppy.
So puppy and curry. Me see you.
Hold on, Jerry. We want to our next question. We are going to go back to the chancro because me not believe.
My people, me know so that you have at least one country out there in the world where people eat dog. I don't know about every country out there. You see me I say because, you know, and I like saying me tour the whole world and so forth. But the thing is though, my people, see, is that the way all the man talk make me wonder if a joke him a make. See? But the way all me hear certain persons in those videos I ask the man certain questions make me wonder differently. You see me as my people? If you notice here somebody mentioned drancro in the video. See? So in the other videos that I saw, it's like the man admits or him confess that way. Basically him talk about it like him somehow eat a drancro, and in my point of view, based on some things that the man said, is like the man saying feel bad a certain way or it make him feel a certain way or so forth. So him went to somebody and one time it's like him talk about how he couldn't stand up and all them things, them people. So therefore, it seems as if that affected him, and that is if the things that he said are true. But my people are not real. It somewhat surprises me to hear some of the things that the man said in those videos that I saw. So I presented one of those videos to you. You can let me know what you think. See, I'm going to move on to another video. Now, I am going to present a video to you that's going to show some things that happened after a police service vehicle and a motor vehicle somehow got damaged during a police and transport authority operation. See, so my understanding is that the members of the transport authority from within the country of Jamaica and the police were conducting a operation somewhere within the country of Jamaica, and a police who was driving the police service vehicle allegedly tried to block a motor vehicle, and somehow the police service vehicle and the motor vehicle got damaged, the viewers and subscribers. See? Now, based on some things that I saw and heard in another video on social media, and according to some comments that I saw on social media, I got the understanding that some persons believed and some persons also assumed that the police and the members of the transport authority might have thought that the driver for the motor vehicle was using a private motor vehicle to operate as a taxi. But those are just allegations in my point of view, viewers and subscribers. That's what I'm saying to you. Anyways, I'm going to present the video to you and you can let me know what you think. And based on some things that you're about to see and hear in this video, you can tell me who you think was right from who you think was wrong and so on. Alright? Anyways, here's the video. Look, listen, observe. Tell me what you think.
That's like country can't be better. See that joke? That's like country can't be better. That's that much crime.
Yeah, I really like that. Like brother.
That's that much crime.
Let's go man.
Somebody are dead.
I think I say the police, right? Government has to fight hard. Now I'm a man.
Man, people big crowd.
Yeah, I'm yeah, go up and suffer.
Bumbo clock.
Alright, now when it comes down to a situation like this, viewers and subscribers, and if this whole situation somehow end up before the court within the country of Jamaica, who do you think is going to have the upper hand, viewers and subscribers? Is it the driver for the motor vehicle or any of those law enforcers from within the country of Jamaica? See? Yeah, some of the times because of situations like this, I wonder if law enforcers within the country of Jamaica have surveillance cameras hidden in motor vehicles or on them, so that they can have proof to some of the things that they might have prosecuted persons for or give persons tickets for. So me ask some people, but you don't know, those are just some of the things that I think. You see me? Because the justice system within the country of Jamaica have some flaws, you know. So me I say, yeah man, I mean, nobody is perfect. And in my point of view, nothing is perfect. So I say, I think that everything has flaws. But anyways, you know, don't get me wrong, I'm not going against the rules and the laws of my country. I respect the police, I respect the rules and the laws. Without the rules and the laws, there would be chaos, viewers and subscribers. But you can let me know what you think. And with that, I'm going to move on to another topic. Alright, now before I move on to a more serious topic, viewers and subscribers, I want to take a good look at this picture right here. Yes, this picture right here. See? Alright, now, this picture right here depicts a politician from within the country of Jamaica holding a certain type of sign. See? Yeah, the picture depicts a politician from within the country of Jamaica holding a type of sign that says Jamaica 2014, number sign, pay parliament minimum wage, number sign, leading by example. In my point of view, that's a hashtag, leading by example. So I say, no, I wonder if that picture is an edited picture. Yes, I wonder if the picture is an edited picture. I never seen this picture before. And if this picture really and truly have been taken with the politician holding that type of sign, how come I never see this picture circulate all over on social media certain ways? Although social media did not really and truly explode as big as it explode today in my point of view, but I really actually like to know what you think, my people. So tell me what you think about that picture. Tell me who you think the picture depicts holding a certain type of sign. No, but let me laugh. Tell me who you think the picture depicts holding a certain type of sign, viewers and subscribers. Tell me if you believe the picture had been edited or not. Yeah, because I wonder if the picture had been edited. Alright, I'm going to move on to the serious topic. Alright, now I got information that a member of Jamaica Defense Force died as a result of injuries that he sustained when two motor vehicles crashed along Old Harbour Road in St. Catherine, Jamaica on the 10th of August, the year 2022. Now, according to more information that I got, it is said that at least 6 other persons were injured and they were taken to hospital to receive medical treatment. It is said that the incident happened sometime before or after 6 a.m. on the 10th of August, the year 2022. Now, I did not get any confirmed information about the identity of the person who died, viewers and subscribers, and information as to how the accident happened are somewhat sketchy. I also saw at least one video posted on social media that shows some things that happened after the two vehicles collided, viewers and subscribers. So I say, preliminary reports are that the Jamaica Defense Force member was driving his motor car on the road when his motor car collided with another car reportedly being operated as a taxi. So that's a preliminary report. So I say, so it is said that several persons, including the soldier and the taxi operator, all sustained injuries as a result of the crash, viewers and subscribers. You may but people, the amount of motor vehicle accidents when we hear happening within the country of Jamaica just for the year 2022 alone, and this is a type of thing that happened quite a number of times over the years. You understand? I mean, to take time and drive on the road is something that a lot of persons have said, and no one is perfect, and accidents do happen, viewers and subscribers, but some of the times we have to try our best to see if we can give out a good warning out there, because you might be surprised to know that a warning that you give might end up saving your life too. Anyways, my people, yeah, so I left it, you know. So take on the time on the road. Whether you're walking or driving, be careful on the road. Big up and respect to each and everyone. Let me know what you think about those videos that I presented to you. Until the next time, my name is Dancehall Skilla. Big up.
Hey, my youth, you know where you watch.
Dancehall, skilla.
Hear me now?
Hey yo, skilla.